guys, welcome back to my channel Art and Mandala Vlogs. So let's start the video. Today I decided to do a huge stationery haul video for you guys to know about the sheets or general I use. I will start off with the sheet I use. It contains 25 sheets and the price of this is only 72 rupees. This is waterproof sheet. You can go for this one. The next product is this masking tape. I brought it from local market और ये सिर्फ मुझे 30 rupees में मिली. Unbelievable. Next, I got this color paper from local market only for rupees 12 of 20 sheet set. ये बस मेरे माइंड में एक आइडिया है और उसको देखने के लिए आपको आगे की वीडियोस देखनी पड़ेगी. I brought this pen from online store. This pen helped me to draw a mandala art. The price of this pen are 399 और ये बहुत अच्छे हैं. I think you can go for this one अगर आप एक मंडला डिज़ाइन ट्राई करना चाहते हैं. I brought this sparkle pen from local market. The price of these pen are rupees 90 and these are pretty good to use. You can go for this one also. I brought this small packet of pencil color because pencil color में कोई काम के नहीं है और इनका प्राइस का है इसका मिल गया और ये सिर्फ मुझे 12 रुपए में मिले हैं. नाइस. The next product is sketch pen. The price of this is rupees 15. These are also called watercolor pen. I brought these paint from local market of rupees around 20 and this also had a brush, so it's pretty good to use. So the other thing that I brought is watercolor from Camel and the price of this is 55 rupees but I get it from rupees 50. This also had a brush and these are of 6 shade. I think they look very cute. This geometry box I need while doing mandala design. तो ये मेरे बहुत काम का है. So let's look at the brush that I have. The first set of brush that I have is this. This is a 7 set of brush and it cost me around 90 rupees and it's very reasonable. Another thing I got recently is this set of poster color with 6 shade and one small palette with it. I brought it from local market और ये मुझे 80 रुपीज़ में मिला है. I think ऑनलाइन मुझे सस्ता मिल जाता. The last product which I have is this Acrylic color. It cost me rupees 90. This has also 6 shades. I think you can go for this one. That is all I have since the pandemic has started. I hope you all like the video. ये एक और ब्रश मैंने लोकल मार्केट से ले लिया था 10 या 20 रुपए में, आई डोंट नो. If you have any questions about this product or anything else, you can leave a comment on this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.